How to get and use Shein promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Shein promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find tons of coupon codes. You can just scroll and check. 15% coupon code, 30% coupon code, $40 coupon code, and many more. Just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the coupon code and want to use it, click on this option of View Coupon. So I have selected 50% off on purchase for a first-time user. Now I can copy this code. Make sure you check the details of this promo code. Once you copy it, now you can head towards the website of Shein, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Or also you can click on this option of Visit Shein. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase, and while you confirm your order, you will find the section of promo codes. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Well, this is how you can easily get and use Shein promo codes. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get and use Shein promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.